Why personal trainers lose clients? Well, according to business statistics, gaining a new personal training client takes 10 times more effort than keeping one. And I've seen 3 common mistakes, and I've made these as well, that cause personal trainers to lose clients, which you really don't want to be doing. So let's dive into what those 3 mistakes are now to make sure you're not making them. And mistake number 3 is rarely spoken about. So as always, I've got my 3 mistakes up on the screen there to keep me on track. And mistake number 1 is not working with a specific type of person. Look, if you work with general people that just come for you for general fitness with no specific goal in mind, those types of clients will just come and go, because what reason have they got to stay with you? They're there just because they want to be working out. So that is one of the reasons why we can lose clients very, very quickly, because they're with us just doing general training. And actually, if somebody else is offering something very similar and a little bit cheaper, why wouldn't they leave you and go there? Or if they get busy or times are hard, money's a bit tight and they're just doing general training, those are the sort of clients that we're going to lose very, very quickly. So that's reason number 1. We work with people who are just not specific in terms of what they want to achieve. Okay, number 2 is not working with a specific type of person to get a specific type of result. So in my case, I was working with busy professional women over 40 who were looking to lose anywhere between 20 and 50 pounds plus. So it's very specific and the outcome is very specific. So those are the sorts of people that are going to stay with you longer than the generalists, because again, the generalists are there just because maybe they're working out for the heck of it, whereas somebody that's come to you for a specific reason, then they're more likely to stick with you. Say in my case, it was fat loss, which is what I specialised in, high ticket fat loss programs. And by the way, if that's something that you are interested in, click the link below this video, it'll take you to a page and you can access some free training on how to create, market and successfully sell your own high ticket fat loss program. And then the third reason why people typically leave us as personal trainers is because we don't explain the actual process from beginning to end. How are we going to get them from point A to point B? Because once they know what that journey looks like, we can then sort of anticipate ahead of time any hurdles, any obstacles, any barriers that may be coming up along the way. So when those things do come up, they can go, oh yeah, we spoke about this, therefore it's not a big issue. But if we're just booking them on for a block of 10 sessions, which I'd never recommend anyway, I'm more about selling 3, 6 or 12 months to people. If they know the journey from start to finish and they have a problem, no big deal, we can overcome that. But if they don't know the journey and they hit an obstacle, a barrier, or something happens and you haven't warned them about it, that's the reason for a high percentage of clients to say, you know what, this isn't for me. Now, if you want to find out how to create a high ticket offer that you can offer out to multiple different people without changing the core elements, check out the video on screen now.